What's up guys, this is David Smith here. I'm going to take this CBD that I have donated from Electric Farms and I'm going to turn this into a CBD tincture using this vegetable glycerin I have. This is a cherry limeade. I'm going to take it and spread it evenly across the pan, cover this pan with aluminum foil tightly to preserve all of the terpenes. My bad, I don't want any of that to escape during the baking process, which is why it's very important to bake it at 240 degrees because CBD has a very low evaporating point of 160 degrees. So yeah guys, and the reason we're decarbonoxidating the plant is because that's going to turn the CBD acid into a CBD, and that will release all of the carbon dioxide, and you'll be able to get all of the benefits from the plant, and it will maximize them as well. You can use this not only as a medicine, but as an ingredient in your favorite foods as well. But look at these beautiful buds. If you guys are interested in any of this CBD hemp from Electric Farms, just let me know and I'll get you in contact. Alright guys, now we have the CBD. It's been transferred from the CBDA into this natural CBD. That way it'll enhance the flavors into the oil and the tinctures a lot more. I'm going to take 30 grams of the cherry limeade, and I'm going to mix that with 1 cup of vegetable glycerin in this stock pot. And then I'm going to take 7 grams of the cherry limeade CBD finely ground, and I'm going to add that with 1 cup of organic coconut cooking oil. So we'll make 2 different products here. You're going to have to be able to sample those. Alright guys, so this is both of the products transferred from the crock pot. Now they're both wrapped in a cheesecloth that I found at the closest Walmart. I'm letting these guys strain. I just wanted you to see how this one is. I made this one with the tinctures using the vegetable glycerin, and I honestly didn't even cook that one for 4.5 hours. It was more of a thick, more dense texture. Seemed like it started to heat up more quick than the coconut oil. I was just afraid I would overcook that and possibly lose the benefits. So I just went 2.5 hours on that. I'm going to wrap that one up just like this one, squeeze as much of the oil out as I can, and then put both of those guys in the freezer. And then that way, after I freeze them, I can separate the particles and see what we'll use and what not.